Today's destination is PNC Park, home of the Pittsburgh Pirates. It's a beautiful and sunny September day, and we got to the North Shore plenty early enough to grab lunch before this afternoon contest between the Buccos and the Washington Nationals. Dan Pecchia is a longtime Pirates fan, and so are his companions today, three friends who have been major contributors to Pecchia communications over the years. All four of these guys have worked in communications for more than 35 years, both in newsrooms and in PR leadership roles.
It's great to be connected to guys who can bring that extra firepower when you need it. I've worked on dozens of projects with these guys over the years that have brought really nice results to clients and to us.
There's nothing quite like a day at the ballpark with old friends. The Pirates benefited from great pitching, smacked a couple of solo home runs, and beat the Nationals 2-0. Today was a no doubt about a winner of an outing, and we're sure there's another one due up soon. We'll talk about that in the next edition of Nimble Glimpses.